everyone. This is Tracey Keller giving you a shout out as I begin my third week as a Gospel Music Training Center member. It's been an exciting time for me, and I'm absolutely loving this club. I've been telling my friends about it, and now I have an opportunity to share with you as well. And to thank Brian and Jermaine for the support and encouragement that I've received during this time. It's so inspiring. And I wanted to say thank you so much, JP. Absolutely love you, JP. Thank you for the calm and cool and patient way that you teach, from beginners to more advanced players. This program is full of golden nuggets of information, resources, videos, and particularly, and probably most importantly, are the lessons, the foundational lessons that I'm in right now. So they provide the basics for learning how to play the piano or the keyboard. So it's just full of information to glean from. I'm sure I will never be bored as I work toward my goal. So I also wanted to say that I've always had a passion for gospel music, and both singing and playing, and I feel like I'm never too old to learn, because I have learned so much already in these past 2 weeks, and I look forward to the days ahead. I just want to encourage anyone who is considering learning how to play the piano or the keyboard. This is the place to do it. And one piece of advice I will give is, if you do decide to be a member, to join, buy yourself some writing paper, pens, and pencils, because you're going to want to write things down. There's so much to learn, and if you're like me, learning is easier when I write things down. So thank you for listening. Thank you, GMTC. God bless.